Hello everyone, in this video I'm sharing information about the origins of reflexology, how it works and its place in the modern healthcare system. If you're curious about how reflexology goes far beyond a simple hand and foot massage and its role in wellness, let's continue. Reflexology is a traditional healing method that originated in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, India, and China. Similar to acupuncture and shiatsu, it has been observed that certain specific points on the hands and soles of the feet are connected to organs and hormonal glands in the body. At the beginning of the 1900s, this special massage technique, brought from east to west by Dr. William Fitzgerald, began to be systematically studied by modern medicine. According to reflexology, every physiological structure has a corresponding reflection point on the palms and soles of the feet. Pressure applied to these points sends electrochemical messages to the related areas. At the same time, biomagnetic interactions also come into play. These messages regulate the flow of energy in the related areas and support natural balancing processes. For example, stimulating the liver point on the foot helps support the functional flow in the liver. Reflexology is not just a mechanical massage. It is a holistic practice that simultaneously affects the nervous system, circulatory system, and bioenergy channels. Thanks to the dense network of nerves on the sole of the foot, reflexology also affects the vagus nerve, creating a deep relaxation response. For this reason, it helps achieve balance in many areas such as stress management, sleep regulation, digestion, circulation, and supporting the immune system. In Turkey, with the Complementary Health Law enacted in 2014, reflexology was officially integrated into the medical system and became one of the therapies practiced under the supervision of doctors. In wellness centers, reflexology is mostly practiced as a relaxing hand and foot massage. It provides guests with both physical and mental relief. It regulates energy flow and supports holistic balance.